How to disable Let's Finish setting up your screen on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix that. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if that kind of message appears on your screen while you're setting up your screen, then what you're going to do is simply click on Remind Me Later. After clicking on Remind Me Later, you're just going to go back to your desktop. Your desktop screen will appear. You're just going to head up to your main settings. After that, go under System of your computer. Just open up your system. After opening up your system, you're just going to head over to the section called Notifications and Actions. Just go there. And here you can see all of the notification settings here. So here you can see different kind of notifications here. Right, if any kind of notifications, just right click on it. You're just gonna turn it off. Turn off uncheck every of the notifications settings here. After that, basically restart your computer and your problem should probably be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.